Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro Low. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro Low shoes, and this pair is the men's UK size 8.5, US 9.5, Europe 43, Brazil 41, 27.5 cm, and this pair is in the Arctic Orange Sail colourway, and the style is 848775-805. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid and peeling back the wrapping or packing paper to reveal the Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro Low in the Arctic Orange Sail colourway. Let's lift out the left shoe first and focus on its details. Just closing the box back up and setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at this pair of Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro Low, at least the left side anyway. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear look of the shoe. And now taking a much closer in look at its details, and straight away you can see that sort of soft salmon pink colour of the full grain leather upper in a somewhat patterned alligator style texture, making up its upper. So giving you a much closer in look at the details of that full grain leather upper and its texture with that alligator style pattern. So with the vamp or toe box, we can see perforations right across the toe box, and for the mud guard you can see and I can feel the bumps and ridges of that alligator or reptile style texture. And with the midsole and outsole you can see that off-white or sail colour. And one thing you might have noticed is there is no Nike swoosh on the upper of the shoe, so just one big canvas of Arctic orange making up the upper of the shoe, and you can see the laces on that matching colour as well. Now moving back towards the back and heel part of the shoe, once again we see that textured leather upper, and at the back we can see the Jordan Wings logo with that winged basketball. So giving you a much closer in look at that debossed Air Jordan wing basketball logo. Now taking a look towards the inner part of the shoe, once again we see that reptile style texturing to this leather upper. And you can see overall it does have a low gloss finish to the leather upper. Now taking a look from the front tip or toe of the shoe and slowly moving towards the back, so you can see the details along its length. So you can see with the tongue there is a rectangular Nike Air tongue patch, which is embossed, and once again in that reptile texture. And just popping up the card shoe tree shoe insert, so we have a better look at the inside details as well as the lace details. So we can see with the aglets, they have a gold tone to them, and just trying to see if there is more details to them. So they appear to be some very fine pinholes to the aglet design or the lace tips. Okay, and taking a look around the tongue and its behind. So a thin and very thinly padded tongue, and on the back details, just trying to give you a look around the back details of the tongue to this Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro Low, and of course the lining details as well, and the ankle and heel collar. So ankle and heel collar bowstring or padding is very thin and very soft. And with the inside, you can see with that Arctic orange or soft pastel pink or salmon pink throughout the inside of the shoe. And we can see with sock liner, the Nike Air print in white on that Arctic orange. And of course with the materials or composition sticker on that sock liner as well, indicating leather for its upper. And of course the inner shoe label, which is quite visible here. So giving you an overall look at those details on the inside of this Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro Low. Okay, and now taking a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe. So you can see from the midsole and sole that same matching sail color or slightly off-white. And of course it is a rubber sole. And to give you some sense of its texture or material, just rubbing my finger and tapping my fingernail on it. And of course giving you a much closer in look at its details as well along the length of the sole. Of course in the midfoot part we can see the Nike and its swoosh logo molded into it. Now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, flexibility, stiffness or pliability. Now just straightening the shoe and popping it back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right shoe of this Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro Low and the Arctic Orange sail colorway. Now popping the right shoe out and just closing the box back up and setting it back on the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at this right shoe. And of course we do a 360 rotation with this side as well for that quick and clear look of the shoe. And now taking a much closer in look at its details. So once again we see that reptile or lizard like texturing to that full grain leather, making up its upper in that Arctic orange or soft pink salmon color. Right across all the panels making up the upper of the shoe, and of course with the Air Jordan Wing Basketball logo on the back tab or heel tab, and as you can see on this side as well, it doesn't have the Nike swoosh on the sides of the shoe. And of course, taking a look at the tongue once again, that Nike Air logo on the tongue. And of course the Arctic orange laces with that gold tone aglets or lace ends. And let's slip out the card shoe tree or insert for a better look around the inside details of the shoe. So once again we see the Arctic orange colouring throughout the inside of the shoe, of course giving you a look at the inside labels or label as best that we can with the setup that we have. So tucking the laces back and giving you a look at the bottom as well with that sail outsole or sole of the shoe. And of course the shoe is equipped with Nike Air cushioning in the sole. Now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. Top down. And the bottoms or soles of the shoes. So that's the Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro Low. Thanks for watching and happy walking!